Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use widgets on the home screen of your iPad Air 13 2026. If you want to add a new widget on your home screen, you just have to hold your finger down on any empty space of your home screen and then tap the brush icon and select Add Widget. Then select one of the available widgets. They will also be categorized by apps on the left side. You can select one of the available widget views, for example this one, and tap Add Widget to add it to your home screen. Some of the widgets can also be resized by dragging the corner of the widget like this. To remove a widget, tap the minus icon in the top left corner of it, tap Remove, and if you want to rearrange widgets, just hold your finger down on one of them and place it somewhere else on your home screen. To apply changes, either tap OK in the top right corner or tap anywhere on your screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.